I think everybody's trying to adapt to use AI as best they can. We've worked projects that have uncovered that. That's something that AI isn't quite capable of doing yet. On the interior design side, there are certain aspects where AI actually can help our interior design teams.
All right. Okay, so if you could just state your name, what do you do, and where are you based?
My name's Tom Inglis, Chief Growth Officer for Innvision Hospitality, based in Atlanta, Georgia.
Amazing. And you talked about basically like furnishing different hotels.
Right.
Could you tell us a little bit more about interior design? And, could you tell us a little bit more about that and what your company does for that?
Sure. So our company's focused on interior design and FF&E procurement around the country in the United States. We have 22 field-based design and procurement consultants across the country, so we believe on a hands-on approach. We also have 17 interior designers that also work with flags such as Marriott, Hilton, and Hyatt and IHG.
Amazing. And this all started as a family-owned business. How did that start from this to such a large-scale company?
So original founder Walter Jones and his partner Chris Parker started Innvision Hospitality in 2004. Before that, it used to be a Middle Georgia Hospitality, so combined over 40 years of experience in the industry. We started out as economy-focused brands and roadside hotels, and now we focus on limited service, full service, and soft brand hotels within Marriott, Hilton, and Hyatt brands.
Amazing. And are you able to share any names of some hotels that you work with us?
Sure. We work on Fairfield Inns, SpringHill Suites, DoubleTrees, President's Inns, Hampton Inns. We've worked on some Tempos. We've worked on some boutiques. And we also are currently working on a couple of the soft brands within Marriott and Hilton.
Amazing. And, this is really good stuff. A lot of people are wondering, where we're going to be in like the hospitality world, in the next 5 years. There's a lot of things going on with like AI design and things like that. Does that affect your business in any way? And also how do you see your business adapting to the times?
Sure. I think everybody's trying to adapt to use AI as best they can. In our industry, it's still a very tactile industry, touch, feel, and see the products. There are a lot of nuances within properties, especially when you start working on renovations. You open up a wall and you start finding plumbing that wasn't supposed to be there. We've worked projects that have uncovered that. That's something that AI isn't quite capable of doing yet. On the interior design side, there are certain aspects where AI actually can help our interior design teams. But at the end of the day, it comes down to us being able to have a narrative-based design that works directly with the property, the ownership groups, and the location itself. It's something that takes time, effort, and energy on our part to do.
And, you just mentioned something quite interesting. Sometimes you're, gutting the wall and you see some old plumbing. What are some moments where it's like a break the glass moment, like what's going on? Is there anything that really sticks out that you were able to tackle with Innvision?
Well, we've had some recent examples where we did open up walls, or the owner opened up a wall and found out that his entire plumbing structure was in stack form. He was not expecting that. So that changed his entire development and renovation cycle. So at Innvision, we in turn work with our manufacturers and our design team to better align with their needs on the timeline. We're trying to recognize that there is an ROI within these projects. We do not want to disrupt that ROI. They were trying to earn income and revenue on the other floors that they're not working on in conjunction with the ones that they are working on. So we pride ourselves in ensuring that we have the owner's timeline and interest in mind.
Awesome. And just my last question for you, is there anything that I forgot to ask that you think is important for our 20 million readers a day to know?
The hospitality industry is alive and growing. Hotels are not going anywhere. The industry continues to renovate and update. The traveling population for both leisure and business continue to increase here in the States, and I know the international contingency also continues to grow. So great time to be in the hospitality industry, and we look forward to helping as many of you out there as we can.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Tom.
You're welcome.
This is great
Thank you.
stuff.